Hello, so this is going to be a video on how to navigate JW Pepper and what to look for in your assignments. So if you go on to jwpepper.com, this is the home page. So if you go over to the left, it says departments, go down to band, and then concert. So over here you will see some different categories. I would start maybe with concert and festival, and concert and contest, but they also have marches, concert openers, lyrical sections, chorales, sacred selections, whatever. I would start here, but you could look at anything on there. So these are the most popular ones. You can change how you view it. Over here they have concert band. You could use score studies, whatever. You don't want to do that. Just keep it on concert band. You could change it to easy, very easy for middle school band. I would look at easy. High school band, look at medium, advanced to advanced. So let's look at for middle school. Let's click easy. These are all pieces that are going to be in our range. So let's say we wanted to look at this one. So you can listen to the recording or view. So viewing it plays it and also shows the score. And you can click along here. If this is one that you wanted to do for your assignment, you click the name. You have to click into it to be able to copy the URL. But you click that. You copy, whatever. Here's kind of a description of what it is. For your assignment, you would, we're in docs, you would write, what is this called? Abandoned treasure hunt. Treasure hunt by, who is this by? Rob Grice, right? Rob Grice, who's a good composer. We would go here, we copy that, maybe put it right here. If I click on it, I chose this piece because I like the contrasting rhythmic movements. Whatever. Whatever it is you like about it. And don't just say because it sounds good. Say, reading the description might help too. Beginning lyrical statement represents abandoned island. Treasure hunt begins with driving rhythms, dynamic effects, whatever. Listen to it. Look at the recordings, and look at the description of the song. That can help make your decision for it. So you need to have 3 of those. So this would be number 1. So you need to do this 2 more times. So if I find that people are doing just the first one for everyone, that's not gonna vibe with me. So move around. You can do it. This is alphabetical, but you could look by top selling. So let's see if we go by top selling. We have rippling watercolors. So you look at that one as the top selling one. Arabian dances. So it's all different pieces this way. For high school, you would look at, let's look at medium advanced, maybe. Oh, let's see, we have to take off easy. So, sleep is a really good one, actually. So you could maybe look at this one. Oh, look at first suite in E flat, the best. I guess the second best. Sleeps first, which is a really good one. Maybe we'll play that soon. But listen. Like some of these don't have recordings, so if you wanted to listen to a recording, you might be able to search for it on YouTube. Variations on a Korean folk song is another. Of course, these are all good ones because they're in the top selling. But you could look here as view, and again, some of it's harder to see than others. But listen to it, look at the description, share it on there. And that is your final assignment for band for this quarter. I don't think it should take you too long, but I do want you to put some thought into it, because this is what I do when I'm trying to decide on a concert for us. I go and sometimes I have a piece in mind that we already have at school. Then I know, oh, I want to play this, what would go well with it? Think about what makes a good concert. You generally have 3 super fast songs or 3 slow songs or whatever. We typically have kind of a different kinds of songs, so lyrical songs and fast songs, different keys. Sometimes, like the high school one, we were doing a lot of Disney stuff, so it's like that's a theme. Maybe you want to go with a theme. So maybe, Abandoned Treasure Hunt. Maybe you want to think of songs that are about treasure. I'm sure they're out there. Just search. Because you can search here. So let's say if we take away all of this. Here, let's just go here and type in treasure. And look at this. A song called Treasure. That's medium easy. Oh, it's Bruno Mars. So maybe you have songs that are about treasure. I don't know. But think about that going into your assignment. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will answer those the best that I can. That this is your final assignment. It'll be due by the end of the school year. Finish it by Friday, and then you have the rest of the next week to get it all caught up. But get this in. This is due.